In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a OCR inside of PDFgear. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if you're not sure what a OCR is, it means a optical character recognition. So it turns a scanned PDF or image-based PDF into real selectable text. So basically you can copy and paste text, search words inside the PDF. So you can go ahead and click on Control and F and search for words. We can highlight and select text like so, and sometimes edit the text depending on the file. So in order to do this, we want to go ahead and click on the Home tab. Make sure you've got that PDF opened up as well that you want to perform the OCR on, and then click onto OCR. And then before you can perform it, you need to save your work. So I'm just going to go ahead and save my work. Now OCR PDF. So from here we can select all pages or selected pages. I'm going to do all pages, and then language recognition. So more than 3 languages may slow down recognition. So I'm just going to select English and click on apply. And now that's going to perform that OCR, as you can see, like so.